Hello, good evening, friends. Spirit says that there is someone around you that is undependable. They're creating arguments and turmoil around you. But there is a magical journey about to begin for you. You must prepare yourself. Make today your new beginning. Try and leave the past mistakes behind. Don't allow them to weigh you down any longer. Move forward today with confidence and knowing that you have a better and brighter days ahead. This somebody will try and make you do something against your will, but you must listen to your true feelings. Don't let anyone talk you into doing something you know in your heart is not right for you. Trust your higher self, your truth. Be at peace at all times and let spirit guide you. You've walked away from so many troubles, and even if you're tired, don't give up. Things are going to start happening fast, and you are going to get the recognition and rewards that you deserve. They say you don't need anyone else to fix you. Become the true you. Show the world who you really are and what you were born to do. And relax. Everything is going to be okay. Don't worry, it's going to be fine. Believe in yourself. The magic works through you. Justice is coming. You are healed, they say. The healing you've prayed for is on its way. A mystical revelation will bring you clarity. And they say where you are right now is where you are supposed to be. Don't compare yourself to others. That only adds pressure. Take each day as it comes and for what it is. You are a better person than you were yesterday. Growth isn't easy, but you've got this. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all so, so much.